Hey everybody, how's it going? It's a beautiful Friday here in North Texas. I'm out here. I've been doing this series on Betty White, trying to get the transmission fixed. I've done a lot of work to it since we last talked. I think I'm on my third, at least third, draining it and dropping the oil pan, the transmission oil pan. It's messy. Replaced seals in there, valve body seals, changed out the solenoids, filled it up with fluid. No matter what I do, I get it off the jacks, get it about a quarter mile down the road. It jumps back into limp mode, starts slipping gears, just will not engage and work like I'm thinking it should be. I had a guy come out and do a professional scan. Mailman going by, sorry for the noise. Somebody came out with a professional scanner, told me that in his honest opinion, he's not trying to sell me on it. He's like, just go get a used transmission, put it in. This transmission is dying. I had doubts about that, so I got a second opinion from the guy who I had a shop look at Betty for me. They wanted $1,100 just to, I think I told you that, $1,100 just to pull the valve body and take a look at what's going on. I didn't have $1,100 for this project. Out of the blue, he called me to check on me, see how I was doing, which was awesome. Shout out to Tactical Transmissions here in Mansfield. Buddy there, the owner, is awesome guy. He's like, what are the codes you're getting now? And I told him, he's like, yeah, that transmission's on its way out. Go buy you a $500,000 transmission, put it in. It'll run, a million times better than trying to rebuild this and keep futzing around with it. So at long last, I'm going to tap out on this transmission. Explicative it. I'm not in the mood for this transmission anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish with my aesthetics and getting it tuned up, and I'm probably going to flip it, get my money out of it. I think I've got, all said and done, I think I'm around $3,000 into this project. It runs great, sounds great. However, transmission, I can't dump another $500 into it, and then for a used transmission, and hope that it's fixed and it will run. It's a great car. I want to keep it, but new project in the works, possibly. I'll let y'all know about that. So anyway, we're going to do a couple of aesthetics things today, and I'll be right back.